Today, I'll be making this delicious, simple, creamy pasta with shrimp and chicken. Just what you have been craving for. It turned out so delicious, guys. Oh, I needed this cup of coffee so badly. Welcome to my channel, guys. Join me, let's cook together. After cutting my chicken into tiny pieces, I proceeded to marinate my chicken and shrimp just to make sure every bite is full of flavor. While that was resting, I went ahead to parboil my pasta. Nothing complicated here, just getting it ready for the sauce. Next, I went ahead to stir fry my shrimp and chicken until it was ready. This step is really important because it brings out the aroma and flavor in it. At this point, guys, just wait till you see everything comes together. And now everything has come together. You can already see how creamy this looks. I went ahead to add some green spices. Voila! This is the final result. Simple, creamy, and full of flavor. We got to taste this. This really looks good. It tastes really good. The shrimp, the chicken, the sauce, everything just works perfectly. If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to like, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.